What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video, we're going to be installing the MAPerformance downpipes on our 2023 Nissan Z. In front of me today are the MAPerformance GESI Cat downpipes for the new Z, and we are excited to get these installed and see the gains they provide. The stock downpipes are laughably restrictive, with an inner diameter of the downpipe outlet measuring in at only 1.5 inches. The MAP downpipes boast a 3-inch design throughout that tapers off to a 2.5-inch outlet that allows these downpipes to bolt up to the stock catback exhaust. These downpipes will be bolting up directly to the MAPerformance catback exhaust, which we installed in a previous video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. Due to the high horsepower per dollar gain you get out of these downpipes, it will likely be at the forefront of your Nissan Z mod path. So connection to the factory catback is a must. The MAPerformance downpipes come with 2 different catalytic converter options with a hefty gap in pricing. So which one is right for you? Both options use GESI G-Sport catalytic converters, which are the best option on the market for a performance downpipe. GESI G-Sport Cats represent a serious innovation in catalytic converter technology. Long gone are the days of catalytic converters restricting airflow and impeding performance just for compliance's sake. The GESI catalytic converters are an EPA-compliant option with superior flow characteristics. Catted downpipes of the past flow well at the cost of compliance, or they are restrictive to remain compliant. With GESI Cats, no compromises need to be made, as this is the future of catalytic converter performance and technology. Coming in at the lowest price point is the GESI G-Sport OBD2 Cat option. This option uses high-flowing GESI G-Sport catalytic converters that are rated to 500 horsepower each. It is important to remember that if your Z is making over 500 horsepower, that these downpipes will see that power distributed through both of the downpipes combined. Since each individual cat is rated for 500 horsepower, you should have plenty of room for upward mobility. This downpipe set is perfect for maximizing a stock turbo setup. The other cat option is the GESI G-Sport Gen 2 high output cats. These catalytic converters are rated to a whopping 1,000 horsepower before seeing any sort of restriction. If you plan on putting down some serious power with upgraded turbos, then these downpipes are the ones that you'll want. These downpipes maintain the factory brackets and mounting locations for an easy install with limited tools. Each downpipe is crafted from 304 stainless steel for superior corrosion resistance and durability that will last the life of your vehicle. These downpipes are also hand TIG welded in-house by MAP fabricators at their Cottage Grove, Minnesota facility and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. We're excited to get these downpipes on the Z, so without further ado, let's get in the shop and get them installed. First, you'll start by removing the catback exhaust. We already have the MAPerformance catback system installed, so your OEM exhaust will look different. We will start by removing these lower exhaust pieces. You will need to unplug the O2 sensors from both sides. Once the O2 sensors are unplugged, you can start removing the mounting brackets holding on the lower exhaust pieces. There will be a lot of time spent trying to get your arms and hands in there to find and loosen bolts. Once you get the mounting bracket bolts off, take off the brackets. They will look like this. Some bolts are going to be more accessible from up top. Extensions will be your friend. After the brackets are off, the lower exhaust pieces should freely come out. With the lower exhaust pieces off and out of the way, the next task is getting off the heat shields. The upper exhaust pieces have bulky heat shields on them, preventing an easy removal. There are many bolts attached to those heat shields. Due to the tight fit, it was nearly impossible to get a camera in there, so just have some patience finding them all. After you have completed wrestling with the heat shields and get them off, just loosen the V-band and the upper exhaust pieces will come right out. transfer over the O2 sensors to the new MAP downpipes. With the O2 sensors attached to the new downpipes, you can now install them using the OEM mounting position and OEM V-bands. Once the new downpipes are installed, just reinstall the catback exhaust and you're done. We wasted no time getting the most power out of this exhaust setup, taking it straight to the dyno for a custom Panda tune. We were able to pick up just under 30 horsepower and 30 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels on 91 octane. That just goes to show you that the EPA-compliant GESI Cats do not restrict performance. So sit back and enjoy the clip. All right guys, there you have it. We just got the GESI downpipes installed on the 2023 Z. So now we have a full turbo back exhaust system from MAPerformance, as well as a fresh dyno tune to bring it all together. If you guys like this video, make sure you're smashing that like button. If you want to see more Z content, make sure that you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked. And if you guys got a comment, drop it for us below. Thanks for watching.